Remedie sucks fat that made me lose 15 kilograms in 1 month, melts all the fat accumulated in the belly instantly. A big problem that many people, regardless of gender, must face is being overweight. The accumulation of body fat makes its way into the lives of more and more people around the world. And it is that the many chores and the busy life that we live in today is a key factor in its propagation. This forces many people to have to consume few healthy foods. Many have decided to declare the battle to the body fat, but they have not achieved absolutely nothing. Although they undergo strict diets, long hours in the gym and other activities to lose weight, they do not get slim. What happens is that until we discover the reason we accumulate fat, we will not be able to fight it. One of the very common reasons to suffer from being overweight is to have a slow metabolism. When this process slows down, the body absorbs to the maximum the nutrients of the food. As a result, we get more than we need, even fat. Then we start to accumulate it, which makes us gain more and more weight. As we know, being overweight can lead to suffering from different health problems. That is why it is so important that we try to lose weight as soon as possible. If you have also looked for ways to lose weight, but you do not get it, do not worry. Next, we will be sharing with you a recipe that will literally swallow the excess fat from your body. It is a natural remedy that will speed up your metabolism in a phenomenal way. In turn, this will help you lose weight quickly and without much effort. All you have to do is follow the instructions that we will give you to the letter. Pay attention to the recipe that we will share with you below. What we will need: grated or powdered ginger 1 tablespoon, mint leaves 12 units, sliced cucumber 1 unit, sliced lemon 1 unit, purified water 8.5 cups. Preparation and use. To begin, we must get a large pitcher where all the water fits. Then we will pour all the ingredients in the jar and mix them very well. Then we will take the drink to the refrigerator and let it rest all night. The next day, we extract the mint leaves, cucumber and lemon slices, and the other ingredients. Of this substance we must consume 1 glass